What is this?
Flood escape.
Flood escape? Alright, come on, let's do it.
Hey peeps, how are you doing today? I'm playing Flood escape. Let's start.
Okay, let's go.
And see, I am different from my other videos, and also I'm also a supporter.
You're a supporter, okay.
And but also I don't know into extreme mode. I locked it. I have 23 wins.
You can go into extreme mode because you unlocked it? Okay, and what does that do? Where does he go?
I go to the same as Flood escape, except I have air.
You have what? Air?
Yeah, air. I can't.
What are those little stars?
Those are coming out of me because I am a supporter.
Oh, so you get... Okay.
Not the map. Oh, I missed not the map. Supporter. Thing is ready. They're ready.
Okay.
No. No.
You can't get out. Uh-oh. You fell. Uh-oh.
I have 100 air. Wait, where are you? Where are you? What's it?
So where's he going?
Room 1. Oh, I missed. I'm not that very good at extreme mode. Oh,
You're in the water. You're learning extreme mode. Oh, you're in the water again.
I don't have enough air.
Did you die?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Zero air. I still have to make it one. Hey, wait, what the? Oh. I need to go to the shop. Anyways, I have 23 wins, so then that like little things like, I didn't mean to do that. But this and flood shard, what's, I have
You need 65 points for that one. Alright, do it one more time, okay? That way we can finish the video.
I didn't even get to show anyone how I play.
Well, you didn't show them because you died.
I died in extreme mode. It's ready for me. You don't want me? I'll do a single player and then I'll go to those things.
Okay. So we're gonna do this for a little bit, okay? So you're a single player now?
And this. No. And this. Can't turn back. Can't turn back. Oh no, I fell. Oh. The water was invisible. I couldn't even see the water. It was invisible. What the heck?
The water was invisible.
I couldn't even see the water. And when I fell, that was the water.
That's water right there, isn't it?
No, this is glass. The water. I can't see the water.
Hijito, I'm gonna stop the video, okay?
No. Mommy.
Well, you only have another minute. That's it.
I still can't see the water, so I don't know if it's rising or coming down. Now I can see the water finally. The water's coming so fast I don't have time for anything. Wow.
Okay, why don't you try to master this game first? That way we can show your friends how you pass.
Okay. Can't turn back. What? Okay. You have to stop the video, but that was my training and supporting. Thank you so much. I am a Nerf. Nerf. I have a Nerf zombie head, and have a good day. Bye.